Hi guys, so this video is to answer one of our most frequent asked question, which we honestly didn't realize that it's a question until we actually got them from our customer. So a lot of our customer actually has messages and asks us like, we know how to put them on, but how do I actually take it down? So it's actually very simple. It's definitely even more simple than actually wearing it. So just gently pull it off your eye, okay? So just pull it towards the direction of towards the front direction. Okay, so just take it and just gently remove it. Ta-da! It's as simple as that. Okay, so I'll just gently remove this. So just take it and then just remove it. Ta-da! No glue, no extension. Okay, this is also one of the reasons why we love our MLEN Magnetic eyelashes so much, because it's so easy to remove and so easy to put it on. So to put it back into the box after you take it out, remember to put it back into your box. Make sure that you actually put the lashes facing downwards, okay, so that you don't put the pressure on the lashes to keep the lashes in the best shape. So that's how you actually put it on. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, see you next time. Bye.